Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to solve the problem that Face It does not work. This is one of the most common problems for iPhone or iPad users. This problem can occur due to several problems for which you should try until you find the solution error. Well, first of all, we will make sure we have the most updated version of your iOS. How we are going to check it in settings, we are going to go to General Software Update and we are going to see that it is updated here. The second reason could be that Face It is not well configured. What we are going to do is through the Face It and password settings, we will put our code in here. We are going to configure Face ID in. This way we will check that there is not something blocking the camera, that is, what the device may have some dust or a stain right above the camera, and that is why the Face It does not work. You should also check that when you show your face to the Face It, your face must be uncovered. If there is any part covered, it may not recognize you. Other of the solutions that we can to find is to restart the device, the simplest solution, but sometimes it is the most effective. Another solution is to delete the Face ID configuration that we have, that is the face we have, and reconfigure it again. If all this fails, contact app support.